Hey guys, I'm Carey, a Canva certified creative, a thriving community that I'm so passionate about and glad to be a part of. I'm here to share with you ways in which I make money using Canva. 1. My graphic designing skills. So I have a lot of small business owners who are my clients who reach out to me for me to create graphics for them in Canva. One of the reasons is Canva is like a very easy tool to utilize, and so because in the future they'd want to edit those graphics and utilize them, then of course I create those graphics in Canva for them, which they can easily edit and use. 2. Social media marketing and management. Like, this is a big wowzers. A lot of people might not know this, but you can create your graphics in Canva and then schedule them to social media. I'm talking about scheduling it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, name it. You can do it with Canva, and that's one of the ways I've been making money using Canva. Then thirdly, one-on-one tutorials or just classes. So I have a lot of entrepreneurs who I work with who want to know how to use Canva. So I take them from the very basics of Canva to the most advanced version that they want to learn about using Canva. And so that is one of the ways I'm very passionate about engaging and teaching others about Canva. Then fourthly, I design my very own custom Canva templates. I create templates in Canva and sell them on my very personal shop at templatesbycarey.com. So, normally these are purchased by social media managers, community managers, virtual assistants, as well as small business owners who want graphics that is already created and they don't have to worry about the stress of creating graphics from scratch, right? And then lastly, I utilize Canva to make money through affiliate link and marketing. So every time I share a Canva tip, hack, or trick, of course I'm going to plug my Canva affiliate link for you to check out or even upgrade to Canva Pro. Because if you don't have Canva Pro, like, what are you really doing? Because Canva Pro is filled with so many awesome features that you can utilize, from removing background to resizing to scheduling to social media and the entire works. So of course I'm going to plug my Canva link for you to just click, and of course I make some coins when you upgrade to Canva Pro when you select my link. So I want you guys to do that. So guys, if you have any questions for me about Canva, whether it's any hacks, tips, or tricks, you want to follow me at Carey Digital or subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Carey Digital. Thanks for watching.